Hey guys, how to do ranking? Somebody doing like this, like 1, 2, 3 manually. Don't do like this. I will show you. Be normal. Put formula is equal to rank, bracket start. Select the number which you want to compare, comma. Select the range from where you want to compare. Fix it by F4. Then if you want descending, then put 0. Like this. If you want ascending, put 1. Like this. So simple. Thank you.